Bad, yo.
Alright, it's gonna spark. It's gonna spark.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Burn that shit! Wanna burn that shit! Okay, Ryan, smile! Ryan, turn on smile! Hey! Everybody, Ryan!
Is it working?
My arm is hurting so bad
Yeah.
right
It's getting hot.
now. Ryan, you're gonna get such a big ass.
At least it like sped up the process. You could
Here,
have
take
these
a
on
look
all
at what's
night.
going on. See how I'm cutting into there like that?
Can you just finish it? Alright, hold on. Smile, everybody. I'm losing so much circulation in my arm right now.
Oh.
Drama.
All I gotta say is the only thing I gotta worry about is make sure you
Hey,
have two shots.
hey,
everybody smile. I want to get Andre in the picture
that
too. While John works.
They wait like a third of the way.
Hey, John, step back a little and smile. How much experience do you have with these?
You just got it for Christmas.
No, I use older ones.
Just remember, it was on your wrist before I put it on your wrist.
What?
Just remember when you're going for the ass whooping.
That's cutting pretty good. Oh!